Products manufactured through a wide range of methods can be found everywhere in our day-to-day lives. Across mobility, medicine, agriculture, food and leisure. In 2020, global turnover from the sale of machines was almost 2.6 trillion euros. It has huge potential, but needs to be made more climate friendly and energy efficient.
Sustainability begins in the mind. First, I must inspire others to have the ideas and the courage to change structures and to develop and implement new technologies. It's important to see the big picture. Our credo is think sustainably, act innovatively.
We are continuously working on solutions for the sustainable protection of our climate, step by step. And in doing so, we continuously reach new milestones with new machine generation that produce parts for e-mobility, with innovative manufacturing technologies and with digital solutions.
We are working consistently to reduce the energy requirements for each manufactured workpiece even further, to increase the energy efficiency of our products and services, and finally, to make our production site climate neutral. It's in these three areas that we, as a machine tool manufacturer, are most effective when it comes to sustainability and the environment.
The Chiron Group's sustainability strategy focuses on two clearly defined target groups: our own corporate world and that of our customers. In both these worlds, we are at our most effective when we jointly apply our expertise to make optimal use of energy and resources. The continuous expansion and use of climate-neutral energy sources at all production sites and the transition towards energy neutrality in the manufacturing of our products are set targets in terms of sustainability. Motivating and guiding all employees towards a thinking and acting in a sustainable and climate-conscious way will be the key to our success. With our investment in heat recovery and photovoltaic systems, and because we also cover additional electricity from purely regenerative sources, from 2023 all manufacturing and assembly in our German production sites will be climate neutral. All other production sites will follow in 2024.
The solutions we provide to our customers are sustainable because the process is secure and stable, because quality and cost matches, and because material and energy requirements are optimized. Whether your machines are used to produce 1,000 watch cases or 1 million of components for the electromobility, saving energy and resources on any scale can be considered as success. With our customer solutions, we have reached numerous milestones and have launched many innovations, both individually and together. They all help our customers produce more sustainably. Since the 1990s, we have been optimizing our machine components and new developments for energy efficiency. This has enabled us, as of today, to reduce the energy consumption of our machine tools by at least 30%. Our high-speed milling center for micromachining, the Micro 5, has the same energy consumption as a coffee maker. That is 5 times less than current production methods on the market. Here at the Chiron Group, we are all on the same page. But we will only reach our goals once we truly live the idea of progress and innovation.
What matters is our basic attitude. Let me say it again. Sustainability begins in the mind. We are all part of this major transformation, and it's in our hand to make it a success. We will use all the possibilities that the Chiron Group has as a producer of machine tools to make manufacturing around the world more environmentally friendly.